Hey guys, I'm back for some new tutorials, and I've been having a think after my last video, and basically because we're all still stuck in quarantine, I'm going to do 2 videos a week, and I'm going to do a basic technique video and I'm also going to do an expert technique video. So basic technique is hopping the front wheel or riding a banking like the last video, and then my expert technique is going to be ones like back wheel hopping, how to jump from one rock to another. And I mean, you guys can watch both, and whichever one suits you, or work yourself up. And this week's is going to be back wheel hopping, and I'm going to explain it in 3 different parts, as it's quite a hard one and a lot of you have asked me for it, and yeah, it should be a good video. So before you start the 3-part explanation on how to hop the back wheel, I'd like you to be able to wheelie, and a lot of you will be able to. If you can, skip this bit to step 1. If you can't, it's a basic explanation. So I'd like you to be able to lift the front like your front hops, but not moving your body to a spin. Pushing down with the front forks, pulling the bike up, a little bit of throttle, and letting the clutch out so that the wheel starts picking up. At first, I'd like to do it at speed if you've got enough space in there, and slowly slow it down and control your back brake loads more. You use the back brake as soon as you're on your balancing point. The balancing point is where you tip over, basically. So if you go too far back, or your front wheel just lands back on the floor. So you need to find that happy medium as to where the front wheel will stay in the air and you can carry on the back wheel for as long as possible. That'll be the best way to wheelie. So it's all in the back brake and picking the front wheel up high enough and finding the happy medium. So the first part is I want you to be able to do a wheelie and getting it to the balance point. No hopping, just covering your back brake, lifting the front wheel up and getting it right on the balance point. And get it as far as you can in the space you're allowed, and then we can move on to the second one. So after you've got the wheelie as slow as possible right on the balancing point, I would like you to move on to part 2. And the next part is pretty simple if you can do the first one. So I want you to go into the wheelie position again, but as soon as you're going over the balance point, grab the back brake, and then do it again, and as soon as you go over, grab the back brake. So you're doing a wheelie, but just going like that, and almost bringing it the front wheel and moving the front wheel, so you've got that balance in the air and the control over the back brake, and then you can move on to part 3. Getting that perfect, you can move on to part 3, and this is the hardest bit really. I mean, you've done a lot of work up to now, but this is the bit that most people struggle with, and I want you to carry part 2 into it. So when you go up into a wheelie and touch the back brake, I want you to then get it far enough back that you can compress the suspension and hop, and then do it again, compress the suspension and hop. So it's all in your legs, and as you go up with the front wheel, touch the back brake, then compress your legs down and lift. And it is hard to do because you have to have a lot of balance, but once you compress your suspension, all you've got to do is lift again and your back wheel will come off the floor. To start with, you'll only get it 1 or 2 times, but eventually you'll start getting more of a balance with your bike. It's a lot easier to do on an uphill. So if you've got one at home or whatever, if you've got one that you know you can practice on, go and use that because it will help loads.